right, so as you can see, we're plugged into the 60 watt PD and we've got 789 watt hours for output left, which is 99%. And we're going to charge that battery, which has 2 bars. Let's see, who do I call? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:33 p.m.
5:33. So we're going to set the timer for 1 hour. Alexa, set timer for 1 hour.
Second timer, 1 hour. Starting now. By the way,
Alexa, stop.
Notifications.
Alexa, stop. No one understands me. Okay. I hate when she does that. All right. So I wonder what that. Yeah. So we'll see how that works. It doesn't say the output wattage there, but it's charging and it's connected to there. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's been an hour and we still have 2 bars. So much for the hours of fun flying. So now we're just gonna try something different. We're gonna change the units. Oops, so you can see. Not 12. Not 791, maybe. Let's see what this does. If I press it. No, we're still where we are. Maybe we'll switch the cable around. We'll do this. And remember, we're at 60 watts. Only a 10 watt difference from the actual one that comes with this thing, which is set to be 70 watts. So what's happening? All right, so we'll just reverse the cable. Maybe put this way so it stays 0 all the time. Let's see what happens. Alexa, set the timer for 1 hour.
Second timer, 1 hour. Starting now.
So we got 1 hour. We lost an hour and got nothing. And so now let's see what happens within this hour. 1 hour left. And we got 2 bars. 97%. Took some juice out, but let me take the battery out. Let's see. Maybe that will tell us exactly how much is left in there. Nope, still 2 bars. And milk in the drainer. Milking it. Interesting. And that's 2 hours. So maybe I'll try another way. Interesting. Okay, so we're going to plug it in and then turn on the AC. Alternating, turn this off. And so it's connected to the one at the bottom, to the back. And let's see what happens after 1 hour. Alexa, set the timer for 1 hour.
Second timer, 1 hour. Starting now.
Okay, so it's been exactly an hour. 84% battery left. That's the output wattage. And we are at, let's take the battery out and see for ourselves. And we're about at 4, which isn't so bad. But remember, it was at 2. So in 1 hour, we're at, it gave us what we needed to do to fly, but actually won't know until I plug it into the RC receiver. 9, we got about, what is that? I can't really see.
Yeah, I'm not sure about you, but I could not see the percentage. All right, so we got 99%, which is pretty good, almost close to 100. As you saw, it was still flashing after an hour, which isn't bad because if you fly like I do at about 25%, or sometimes even 30 or 40%, I bring the drone in, because I don't want to run into any mishaps of it losing power so rapidly. And I've seen it happen before. So I could see how you can get hours of flight time if you just follow that rule of thumb. But if you run your battery down to 25%, it's probably going to take maybe an hour and 20 minutes for it to reach 100% if you charge it with the charger that came with the drone, which isn't so bad. And considering the power bank was bought many years ago, I think I bought the power bank in 2020. That's when that model came out, or even beforehand. And it's lasted all these years and still operating at full power, which is pretty good. So I think I'm probably going to take this with me on future flights. So I hope this video helped you when trying to decide on which power bank to get. I'm not sure if this one's still available since it's old, but most likely they make them lighter than this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you all next time.